talking to you, man. What's wrong with you? I just fed you. I gave you water. I bathed you. What do you want? What you want, man? What do you want? Yeah, use the bathroom again? Huh? Okay. I just washed you. Now you want to go outside. Okay, just wait. Give me 5 minutes, man. Just wait till we get back in the truck. I want to use the bathroom. Stop talking while I'm talking, man. Are you rude, bro? Alright. I said okay. Give me a second. You want me to stop in the middle of the road? You want me to stop in the middle of the road? Bro, you can wait, bro. Give me a second. Right. Get down. Your paws hurt, man. Watch out, man. I'm trying to drive. No, watch out. Hey. Go over there and sit down, man. Go sit down. But piss me off, bro. I don't want you over here. Look. Go sit down. I don't want you over here. Go sit down, man. You want a spanking? Why you acting like that? Give me 5 minutes. You about to stop. Anyways, y'all. We just left New York. Headed to Kentucky. Probably got like 2 hours left. Gotta take this damn boy. Use a bathroom. I don't know what's his problem. Damn thing closed because of the snow. God told Monty. Give me 5 more minutes, man. Rest area closed because of the snow, man. I don't know if I can shit or not, but passing it down. Well, yeah, you're gonna have to wait. Give me a few minutes. Going back there. Are you okay?